How to log into Fidelity Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Fidelity Career. Login in Fidelity Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Fidelity Career, type Fidelity Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the Fidelity Career homepage, locate the sign in button, scroll down and there will be the sign in page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your Fidelity Career in the designated field, then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Your Password. And if it's your own device, you can click on Remember Me, and if you are using others' device, don't click the Remember Me. Click on Sign In. After entering your credential, click on the Sign In button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provided are correct, you will be logged into Fidelity Career account. You should now have access to your account dashboard, where you can view job postings, update your profile and perform other relevant action. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.